An inspiration comes from aerospace science and technology. A technology is commercialized from concept to application. Qixiang Industrial Big Fan gives people the cool breeze and is also low energy consuming, highly efficient, safe to use, reliable, and durable. Qixiang Industrial Big Fan. Why do people praise Qixiang Big Fan so much? Reason 1. Big air volume, low energy consumption. The odd number of design blades of Qixiang Industrial Big Fan is inspired by the odd number of helicopter propellers. Shape of the blades simulates that of a bird's wings. Thus, the blades provide large air volume and low noise, in consistence with principles of fluid mechanics. Long-time scientific test has proven this design can maximize the flow of air and effectively avoid the mechanical component fatigue caused by the resonance of fan blades, reducing mechanical loss. In addition, each of the blade is designed with concave and convex airfoil, which helps cutting apart the air from upper and lower two sides. It helps blow the air to the ground along the arch, enlarging the air coverage surface and increase the airflow. Reason 2. Wider air coverage, better cooling effect. Another advantage of this streamlined blade design is it creates a unique and efficient horizontal airflow level. When Qixiang Industrial Big Fan is in operation, its air coverage can reach up to 1,450 meters squared. The gentle breeze makes the body feel comfortable, causing no harm to the body, as long-time air conditioning usually does. Reason 3. High component quality, guaranteed service life. Lengthened large diameter connecting shaft, equipped with imported double fluorine rubber oil seals, and secondary reduce gears ensure the reliability of the rotary driving components. Moreover, the delay start function helps reduce sudden load impact on the motor, which greatly extends its service life. The fan blades are made of high-quality aviation aluminum magnesium alloy, featuring corrosion resistance, high strength, good toughness, and fatigue resistance. The surface is brightly treated through oxidation, easy to clean. Careful selection of metals, unique design concept. The whole-piece aviation aluminum magnesium alloy chassis is made by Precision Numerical Control machining technology. With weight-bearing anti-fall installation design, it excels in anti-fatigue and yield strength, and outdoes its peer products in connecting strength and impact resistance. Of particular concern is that Qixiang Industrial Big Fan is more reliable. The double outer bearing device of Qixiang has been granted with national patent. Qixiang Industrial Big Fan for industry use is provided with a double outer bearing device, which is not available in peer products. This design helps extend the fan guide length, avoid axial force by reduce, prevent oil leakage, and prolongs service life of the motor. Upon emergency stop, this device acts as a buffer, avoiding any possible huge throwing force generated by emergent stop and any possible broken fan blades. This patented technology solves the fatal drawbacks and defects of big fans in the industry. Reason 4. High security. 8 security protection measures against falling. 1. Anti-fall ring of the transmission system. 2. Anti-fall ring of the bracket system. 3. Anti-fall ring of the chassis system. 4. Outer bearing device. 5. Fan blade safety chain. 6. Infrared micro-distance safety protection system. 7. The big fan frame is attached to the roof beam by a steel wire. 8. The big fan chassis is kept in balance to the roof structure by 4 inclined steel wires. For particular attention, the infrared micro-distance safety protection system provides a monitor to balance of blades. Whenever any blade becomes loose, the fan stops immediately. This is a fan completely free of maintenance. Reason 5. Scientific and technological innovation leading the industry. Fully intelligent operating system. State-of-the-art combination of LCD screen application. Remote control. Temperature sensing. Fire alarm interaction. Integrated control and related equipment. Normal installation methods. Method 1. Installed on the H-shaped steel structure. Fixed with the 10 mm thick pressing plates. Fixed on both the right and left sides steadily. Method 2. Installed on the steel concrete beam. Fixed with the 8 mm thick 90-degree plates. Through screws or expansion screws to be used. Fixed on both the right and left sides steadily. Method 3. Installed on the net ball structure. Fixed with V-type or semicircular hoops. Fastened with up and down bolts. Our clients. Our clients are from all corners of the world. Their trust is in the source of our excellence. When our clients' production efficiency is significantly improved by our products, we feel it is the best reward. Qixiang Industrial Big Fan